Alright, here's the start of vlog day 4. Just having a little bit of breakfast. As you can see, it's just cereal and milk. A little bit of eggs and stuff, but I don't even think I'm gonna eat the eggs. You're not even gonna eat your eggs, are you? He's not either. Ashley's down on deck 5 shopping, so we're gonna finish our breakfast and do some stuff. There, moving the roof because the weather's gotten better. Cruise hack. Get your half a cup of root beer, then fill it with some delicious ice cream. Besides me and Drew doing it, I have not seen anybody else. Have you?
Root beer float.
He just asked me to put strawberry yogurt in it. I'm like, no.
Gross.
You can't do a root beer strawberry yogurt float. Last day on the sea. That is day 3's animal, which is day 4? Yeah, this is day 4. Day 4's heart with a weird goblin face. Mouth face. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Nose, eye, mouth, crazy ear. That's pretty disgusting. But if you come over here, that's a normal. No, it's still there. There it is. A little less creepy. What are you doing? You gonna lay in bed all day? Kidding, we've been laying by the pool for what? An hour already?
Yeah,
Come take a little.
Burnt.
I'm not burnt.
You're burnt.
I'm tan. Take a little break. Enjoy the rest of the day. And this, my friends, is why we are not out on deck. And you can't even see what? Not even a mile away. What do you say the gusts were gonna be?
70.
You can see it coming off the waves though. Lucky we laid out when there was some sun there. This was what it was like all last night, but we had bigger than 6-foot waves. Oh, you talking about right there, Drew? Why the water's that color? It's from hitting the front of the ship.
Huh?
It's from hitting the front of the ship. The blue in the water?
Yeah, right there.
Yep. Look at how windy it is, the water coming off the waves when they white cap. Dang sure doesn't look as rough as it did yet last night, does it? Welcome to day 4. But it's 77 degrees out here. And
If we were in our little boat, we would be dead.
Oh yeah, already went. Pontoon would already sank. We're 26 miles off the coast. And they said when we get off the boat in the morning, it's going to be 41 degrees. What a difference.
77 right now.
77. And windy, and rainy, and rough. It's getting up. It's getting worse. Doesn't look as bad, maybe because of wind. But you can feel the ship going up. And then back down. I think you can see a little farther out there now too. Pretty dang windy. Leaning at a hard angle. I wonder if this is part of the winter storm. Lord! Good Lord, you're supposed to pull it and push there. I was trying to get out of that by pushing it. The guys going downstairs turned around and said, "You pulled." It's pretty insane. Oh, she threw in my hat.
That if it's consistent 6 foot, it's moved up in class. That one when we were walking to the window looked like it was 9 feet, didn't it? Like double the size of these. It's not showing how windy it is out there either. Damn hat blew off a minute ago up there, but at least the rain's moved out. I think they're driving more into them now.
We do?
Yeah. Well, when we were up there earlier and we were leaning at what, at a 30-degree angle, it felt like.
Some guy fell out of the chair.
Yeah, he fell right back out of his chair. We were leaning so much. Still pretty rough out there. So we decided to go play some bingo. Drew's gonna play bingo, but he said he's not gonna run up if he wins the 5,000. So I may win. We'll see.
Addison from Florida, whose brother has 2 girlfriends. Brody, what you got, Addison?
What kind of college do you have to go to get into this job?
What kind of college do you have to go to get this kind of job? I tell
Play
you,
some bingo after these
a lot of
questions.
us didn't even go to college.
Your 25th ball is I-20. I-20. How we doing out there? We're halfway there.
You're only 2 away right now?
Yeah, see exactly. Where are you from? Teresa from If you have to think of, you gotta come on down. Teresa from California over here, Lauren. And her special verified free number
We didn't
is
win.
21630. All right, Teresa. Before we verify this, I just want to remind everyone, before you leave.
That was one of the close times, wasn't it? Pause it. Why? Oh. We got what, within 2 numbers?
Within 2 numbers for coverall.
For 1,300. That, I think we've gotten within 1 number before, right?
Yeah.
That was close though.
Makes me too nervous.
Yeah, you get really stressed out.
I did get stressed out.
It was fun.
It was fun.
It's fun to see other people win too.
Yeah.
It's pretty much the same, isn't it?
Look up in the front.
I'm rocking up in the front. The window's more salty, that's for sure. Harder to see through. Sounds like feedback. It's pretty much the same, isn't it? Oh, look at that one.
This is my Instagram.
Oh. But it's just playing over my vlog.
I'm trying to Instagram, man.
Oh, look at that one. That was a good one. Why did I do it on purpose?
Oh, crap.
Oh, look at that one. That's over 10 foot. Easily. It's crazy when you see a wave break in the ocean, isn't it? Oh, look at that one rolling over there. I know it doesn't look like it on the screen, but holy crap, that's big. It's crazy when you see a wave break in the ocean, isn't it? Look at that dip. Sorry, I kept talking over Ashley's Instagram. Oh, look at that one. You feel that pitch when we were in that hole right there? See the burritos?
I'm gonna get a burger then.
Yeah, every time I come here it's been closed there. You know it's crappy out when there's nobody in a pool or out on deck. I would like to see this pool when we were at that hard tilt to the right. If you remember the New Year's show, this pool wasn't moving at all. That's where they put the 2018 ice sculpture. Drew's going back over here to Guy's Burger Joint to get another burger. Never did look at the toppings bar. that. The sun's coming out behind me. For the record, I don't approve of it, but it doesn't matter. Now you're not going to eat any dinner. We'll see. I bet she doesn't eat hardly anything. Let's say it's getting rougher again. Did you feel the boat pitch a minute ago? There's a freighter over there. The sun's trying to come out, but not gonna happen.
That yet, actually? Look at my shirt.
Videos or photos would never do this justice, how bad the ship is actually pitching and rolling.
What time is it?
We're getting ready for our last dinner on the ship, and it was 77, what, about 2 hours ago? Maybe? It's 59 degrees now. And now the waves are, earlier was at 6 feet, now they're at 9 feet. It's crazy because I'm looking through the screen and looking out the window, I see two totally different things. Well, I can see the sun out there now, but these waves are huge. Very, very big. Look at that. They're hitting the ship, coming off the ship, and then breaking again. We can hear stuff banging all over. It's like somebody keeps falling down, or something's unsecured and it's banging all over the place. Oh, you know what the rare find tonight is? Braised rabbit. Are you gonna try that?
No.
I'll try it. I always try whatever different foods they have on a cruise. Last night I had snails, escargot. Look at that one. I don't know if you can see it, but that one rolling right there. Wow. Now they're coming kind of at an angle at us. We're not hitting them head on like we were. But I can't stop saying that. We're gonna head over to dinner. Good ways, but we're also getting a very nice sunset. Whatever, Drew. You guys ready to go? It's a nice sunset, isn't it? But, yeah, never fails. Somebody's always standing outside the window. That made it look like fire.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, by tapping the screen.
Like this? My window's not there.
It's a nice sunset, isn't it? This sunset, it's like if you're not paying attention, you can miss it.
Really?
You see him trying to duck under a picture?
Mm-hmm.
Look at it, Drew. Here. Getting anything special? Are you sure? Ashley, I think your apple pie is very hot.
It's very hot.
I can see the steam coming off of it. They didn't give me enough ice cream to cool it down, huh? Take one of his scoops. Alright, I do have one complaint. If you get the Wi-Fi package, you don't get crap. If you get the standard, I think it was $5 a day, you get, you're supposed to get Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, but the only thing that worked on Snapchat was the Snapchat itself, no pictures. I tried to post a couple of pictures on Instagram. It took forever, and last time I looked, one of them still wasn't posted. And Facebook, I got one post, I put 10 pictures, but that took so long to put them on. So it's good to have, but when we were at the what's that, guest services, Drew's over there posing. When we went to guest services, I said something about it. He's like, well, there's clouds and storms. Okay. So if your internet isn't working, shouldn't we get money back for that time period? But, you know, whatever. Cruise was still fun. And we're getting ready to head to the comedians now, so hope they're funny.
3 hours later.
We had a good dinner for the last night. Then we went to, what did we sit through? 3 shows? Comedy shows? Oh my god, the last one was so good. The one before it was really good. I liked it. Ashley was a little hesitant. But it is freaking rocking. What'd you say that last wave when we were up on the deck? Everybody just grabbed onto something because you thought you were going over. But that is it for day 4. Carnival Liberty cruise. We hope you enjoyed what we did today. We enjoyed the day. Looking forward to getting home tomorrow, seeing the girls, and having a little mini vacay from our vacay. But had a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you out there sometime.